I missed my first flight, so I had to book another one, which was all the way in Tampa. So I had to drive to Tampa from Orlando in order to catch a flight, but the flight isn't until 8 p.m. and it's only 2:13.
Back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these
literally, the TSA line was 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour and 30 minutes for TSA, and they have 14 lanes. I'm looking at this as right place, right time, because this morning I was about to get all mad about missing my flight, and I was like, you know what, maybe it wasn't meant for me to be in Houston at this current moment. So this trip is really costing me more money than I thought it would, but it's okay. You can't stress about money. Money comes and goes, and it comes back times 10. You gotta just let it go so it can come back to you. The website that I saved all the apartments on, they didn't save, so now I have to search all over for the apartments. But we're just gonna see how it turns out. I'm trying to be very optimistic about the situation. I swear the small stuff, what's meant for me will always be for me. I've gotten so many confirmations that this is a move I should be taking, so I just gotta take it. As I'm talking, it's 4:44 on my recorded time. Anyway, peace out. Okay, hi guys. So I finally made it to Houston. I just got to my hotel, and it is currently almost 12 o'clock, but I made it. I want to show you guys the hotel before I go to sleep because I'm super tired and I'm just ready to lay down. I have to wake up super early so I can tour all these apartments. I actually am going to finish picking a couple more before I go to sleep, and then tomorrow I'm just going to see what's in the area, and if I see something I like, I'm just going to tour it if they let me. If not, whatever, because I'm about to call it a night. I'll see you guys first thing in the morning. I need to get back in, and they got a good light in this bathroom, so hopefully I'm gonna take some pictures, but I'm gonna call it a night. Peace out. Good morning, guys. It's the next day, and right now I'm about to call an Uber. I call an Uber so I can go get my rental car. It's currently 8 o'clock on the dot. I was supposed to be there already, but as we all know, I don't wake up when I'm supposed to. But yeah, happy Wednesday. Peace. I'm back at the hotel because I literally just left the rent-a-car place, and I couldn't rent a car because I need a credit card, and I didn't pay my credit card bill this month, which is my fault because I told myself that I was going to pay it when I got paid, but I did not. So now I can't get a rent-a-car, so that caused me to have a breakdown. So I'm literally sitting at the rent-a-car place crying. Anyway, so I got really upset about that, but there's nothing I can do. And then I just had to talk with the Uber driver, and he was like, it's okay as long as you're safe. So I'm just assuming that I'm not getting a car for a reason, because every time I try to get a car, something literally happens. So maybe that's God protecting me from an accident or something. I don't know. I'm gonna just take it as that and stop being so negative about everything. This whole trip is literally stressing me out. I don't know. I don't even want to stay for another day because I'm just so frustrated with everything, and I'm just taking this as a sign to push through, and it's gonna get better. That's what the Uber told me. It's it's gonna get better. Don't worry, at least you're safe and healthy. Don't stress about stuff you can't control, which is what I always tell people. So I don't know, I don't listen. Who knows? I'm being protected from something, and I'm just gonna accept that and keep pushing. So peace.
I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore, cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. Been on my mind, as soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going out of slave. I had that shot that not too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I bring me so I took a private plane. Get like a wild walking on my hand. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a brother's better name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and drown, try and run it away. You too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind, soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. You too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind, soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. You too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind, soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Hey, we gotta.
I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel.
I've been walking for like 15 minutes and I still haven't seen another apartment, so I really don't know where I'm going. I'm just walking, but I'm documenting this in case somebody try to snatch me, so y'all can see who it was, okay? But I'm halfway out of breath already because this is a long walk and I'm hungry and I haven't ate yet. But yeah, I'm looking. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to hear me, but I'm gonna go find a food place. When I find it, I'm gonna come back.